Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. I have to admit something. I've been here with my 560 SEL for about 2 months, and the relationship is missing something. I need to add some spark into this relationship. What do you think?
Lifting our engine mounts to Jesus, because you lift me up.
Well, look at that. We are back, and I want to show you what we're doing now. We're checking out the spark plugs because this, if you remember, the old 560 SL had a really rough idle. Okay, watch this. Maybe spark plugs, I'm thinking. Hopefully we'll find something. Maybe a spark plug that's dirty and we can fix this idle, okay? Let's watch this in fast motion with some cool music. All right, we're going off tripod. I want to show you guys what all these little sparky plugs looked like, and then I'm going to show you another issue that I found. Yeah, another issue. All right, so from left to right, here we are. Let me see where I can set this light. This is my favorite light once again. Yeah, good light, good light. Okay, here we go. See, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see how white hot? 6, 7. I don't know. This dropped on the ground. I don't know if it landed on that, but look, there's no gap. There's a teeny tiny gap. Yeah, maybe that's the problem. And then number 8. Okay. Let me know what you think about the spark plugs. Number 7 is kind of iffy. And I do have to tell you that the number 7 spark plug wire looked a little iffy too. Come here, buddy. Because you can't even see down there. It's getting dark out here. Mike's getting a little upset. Okay. But let's use my light. Okay, here we go. Yeah, how can we do this? I don't even know if we can. Okay, it looked like there was a lot of little corrosion, it was kind of whitish down there. Okay, so I had another wire. I replaced it. We're going to see if this is going to make a difference, but I want to show you something else I found. Okay, it's a good thing I've been looking around this little car because she's a little wet. Okay, I'm on like 2%. The battery in this camera is getting shorter and shorter. I want to show you the other issue very, very quickly. Okay, look at that right there. Yeah, it's wet, okay, right on the side of the fuel pump, and I've forgotten the name of this, but there's just 2 little O-rings right here, and I can replace this very, very easily. So there's 2 little green O-rings. We're going to fix this, take this off, and this, look, yeah, that's wet. That's fuel. We have some fuel, not where it is supposed to be. So we're going to change this as well. Ooh, yeah, so pretty. All right, this is what the back half of the unit looks like. Okay, see that? There are literally just 2 little O-rings, and the other ones were kind of flat. Ooh, kind of hard. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, a little bit flatter. So this is going to work just marvelously, okay? We did have some fuel come out when I was removing this. That's okay. That's okay. We're just going to put this back together very nicely. I'm going to make sure those O-rings stay where they are supposed to be. Okay, we're just going to start screwing this one in. Make sure it starts the right way. And then we're going to put this one in too. just make sure they're still there. They are still there. Okay. Now, with my trusty little tool, okay, there we go. Thank you, light. Yes, this is the best light of all times. That is the best light of all times. Okay. Screw it, screw it, screw it, screw it. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah. I guess you could remove the fuel lines, but I don't want to do that because that just opens up a can of worms. Okay. Look, see? Okay, we got it. No lives were lost, no limbs were lost, and we have just fixed a problem. Okay, voila. We will remove this because I soaked up a lot of gas that came out of there. Okay, look at that. All right, another problem solved. All right, we're inside the car. We're going to give it a start, and we hopefully have solved a leak and a rough idle excuse me, issue. Let's see what happens here. Okay, it's going to take a little bit to get the gas up there. Let's go see. I got so much room in this garage. Let's go look. I'd say it's running a little rough. I would say that. Let's go off tripod. See what's going on down here. Okay. I think that's going to be okay. I got that fixed. The idle, though, I don't like. I don't like at all. Okay, let's see what else we can fix. Yep, sometimes you win, sometimes you don't win. We didn't win today. We didn't fix this. We did not. But I have an idea. I think I might know what could be the problem. That, though, my friends, is going to happen in another video. So thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe. We have many more videos coming with my lovely girl here, the 560 SEL. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.